If your garage door opener sensors keep acting up, it's probably because sunlight or dirt is messing with their alignment and making the door refuse to budge. Alright, so those little safety sensors near the bottom of your garage door tracks are super sensitive, and if they don't see eye to eye, your door won't close. First off, grab a soft cloth and clean those sensor lenses gently. Dirt, dust, or spider webs can totally block their signal. Next, check if the sensors face each other straight on. Even a tiny tilt can throw things off. If sunlight hits the sensors directly, try shading them with a piece of cardboard or something similar to cut the glare. Another tip is to make sure the sensors are mounted at the same height and aren't loose. Tighten any screws if needed. You'll want to test by waving your hand in front of one sensor to see if the door stops closing. If it does, they're working right. Also, avoid pointing any bright lights at the sensors because that can confuse them. If you've done all that and it still acts up, resetting the garage door opener by unplugging it for a minute might help. One of the biggest problems with garage door opener safety sensor alignment is dirt buildup, which blocks the infrared beam and keeps your door from closing properly. The fix here is regular cleaning with a microfiber cloth and maybe some mild soap if they're really grimy. Another common issue is misalignment caused by bumps or vibrations over time. Just loosen the sensor brackets and adjust until they face each other perfectly before tightening them back up. Lastly, intense sunlight shining directly on the sensors often confuses them. Shading them or repositioning slightly can work wonders. These are the main things that trip people up when their garage door won't close because of sensor troubles. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and won't ghost you halfway through a job. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners who need jobs done right and build a reliable client base without the headache.